What's up YouTube? Welcome back to our channel, Juice and Toya. Today I wanted to take you guys through one of my favorite workouts that I love to do when I'm sort of under a time crunch. So there's certain days where you don't have that hour to an hour and a half to get in an efficient workout. So I wanted to make sure I come up with something that's gonna make it efficient for your body and efficient for your time. So the reasons I love this workout is fully customizable. You can add as many reps as you want, you can add as many sets as you want, and obviously as much weight as you want too. Number two, all you need is a barbell. You simply need one barbell and obviously some weights if you want to add some resistance to it. I'm not gonna waste any more of your time. Let's just go ahead and get right into it and explain what the workout is. All right guys, so I want you to think of this workout as a complex, okay? So this complex has it does have 7 exercises that you're gonna do within the complex. It has 3 upper body, 3 lower body, and 1 full body exercise in between. And I'll show you what that is. All right guys, so I'm gonna warm up with the bar, and I also wanna show you the entire flow of the complex. First we're gonna get into the push-up. Okay, we're gonna go 8 reps. I'm gonna get right into a bent over row. Okay, 8 reps. Deadlift, 8 reps. Hang clean, 8 reps. Front squat, 8 reps. Push press. Last but not least, we'll finish with the back squat. Okay, and that's pretty much the entire flow of the workout. All right, so I'm gonna put 30 minutes on the clock, and I wanna see how many sets I can get done in 30 minutes. Usually it's about 5 to 6. Also, just to add a little core to the mix, I'm gonna throw in some barbell rollouts as an active rest for the workout. So let's get into it. All right guys, I finished my first set. Now I'm gonna go into some barbell rollouts just to add some core into it. All right guys, so depending on what your endurance level is like, you might want to take anywhere between 1 to 2 minutes in between sets. You want to make sure that it's efficient, right? You don't want to go into it because if you're too tired going into the movement, you're going to be sloppy, your form is going to break, and you might hurt yourself. So make sure you have enough rest period in between each set. All right guys, I forgot to mention, you're only gonna wanna load the bar with as much weight that you can do for your weakest lift. So my weakest lift is a push press. So I only loaded the bar up with 25s on each side simply because that's all I can handle with my push press. So just keep that in mind before you go into the workout. You know what? I've already done 5, which was my goal. So for the 6th and final set, I'm gonna do the entire circuit backwards. I wanna start with the back squat to the push press, to the front squat, all the way to the push-up. All right. Oh, that was a bad idea. I'm done. All right guys, that was the workout. Like I said before, I was able to do 6 sets in 30 minutes. And like I said before, make this work for you. If you're someone who wants to challenge more endurance, maybe add some reps, maybe do 10 to 12 reps. You want to challenge strength, maybe do 3 to 5 reps and add some weight. Make it totally customizable to what works for you. So if you enjoyed this workout, give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram if you want to see more workouts like this. From week to week, I tend to post a lot of workouts, so follow me there at Juice in Texas. All right guys, we'll see you back at the next video.